Y'all, it's your girl Night, and I'm back with another food review. And today, as y'all see, we're gonna be doing Mocha Girl again. Okay, y'all. So first thing I'm gonna try for y'all is the egg roll. Okay. We're gonna take a piece of chicken for y'all. That's hot. I'm so hot. It was so hot to break. Y'all, look at that chicken. It's fried hella good. Off the bone. And the big one was not on the chicken. This pasta, y'all. Okay. I'm gonna show y'all what's happening. I'm gonna try just the noodles first. Y'all know how I feel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she did her big one on the pasta. Let me try the salmon. Oh my God. That is so good. That's like the best salmon I probably ever had. Next is the lamb chop. Oh my God. Next thing, the mud freaking booty ball. The mocha ball. Okay. Give me memories. Oh, y'all. Get losing it. Get into it. Yep. This will do it. And a French fry. This will do it right here. I need to come get y'all some of this. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my food off camera. My hair's so messy. This shit good though, y'all. I'm gonna get y'all some. Y'all go follow her Instagram, Mocha Girl Cooks, see where the truck at. Y'all pull out, get you some. Until next time.